Good morning everyone. Today we will learn how to convert that negatives into a proper image. For that we are using two adjustment layers. First one is invert and the second one is curve adjustment layer. So this is the icon of adjustment layers. First of all click here, then there is an invert. Half of your work is done with this. Now there is a color cast in that photo like a bluish or greenish tone. To remove that, again adjustment layer, there is a curve. Now in this image you find there are black colors, there is a white color, there is a gray tone as well. In curve layer there is also some eye picker tools. So the first represent the black, middle one is used to gray, and the last one is used to white points. To remove that color cast we are using the mid-tone one. So click here and find out the gray color in that image. For that I think this one is the gray for this, or you can use any other points as well like this. Now there is no color cast in that image but little bit faded, so you can adjust the contrast with the use of that two sliders like this. So like this. Now select all the layers and use Ctrl+Shift+Alt+E to merge all layers and create a duplicate. Now create a size of 400 by 300 pixels like this and select the area. Now Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste, or Ctrl+T to resize it like this. Or the second option is you can use as well like